So what are you making today, babe?
We are making sausage, kale, and tortellini pasta.
Sounds good.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up.
You're in a temperature switch.
You keep wiping the cheese.
Guys, you're sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back in.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
I'm just shaping them, y'all, because I get flat in here. Just kind of shaping them a little bit. I'm trying to make this pretty much a 2-pot meal, and that's it. Instead of all these, pans. Cook these. Okay, so we're going to put these in the oven for 375 for about 20 minutes while we do the rest of the stuff. And these are raw. So if you're actually using like a smoked sausage, I'll put this in the recipe. You're going to probably have less time. Now we're going to do the kale part. We have to marinate this for a little bit. So this is just 8 cups of fresh kale, chopped up kale. And no, it's not a lot, because actually what it does, like this is going to become like this cooked. Get some out of here. I wanted some garlic to this meal because it's got the cheese tortellinis. Yummy. If you haven't noticed, I usually put in the exact tablespoons that I do for garlic with oil too. And it's just because I like the garlic to have the oil in it. So it can cook up nice and brown and whatever, flavorful. I'm not going to put too much salt in this because we have tortellinis that probably already have salt in them, and we have sausage. So we're just going to do a teaspoon. Well worth it though. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this up.
know you're a dirty girl, but you didn't stick the lid on and just shake them.
Because I don't want these are kind of delicate, and if you start shaking that, I don't want them to be like little tiny pieces. Like you just, I don't know, shredded them. I like them to still be, when they roast up, they're going to shrink really small anyways. I just like them when they're roasted, that you can actually taste them in your meal. Okay. That's good. I'm done. Now I'll wash my hands. Yum. But I have to turn these over. So they're coming out.
I hear them.
Yeah. We have to cook kale on here too. These are being flipped and cooked more. And let's see. Yeah. Remember our marinated kale? We're gonna put that on there. Get all that on there. I'm just gonna move it around. It's all going to condense really small.
Put the kale back in.
No, I put the sausages back in, and I put the kale in.
And how long does that cook for?
We're going to do 15 minutes. I don't think we need to do any more. Usually 15 to 20, but I'm going to do 15.
At 375 again?
Mm-hmm. And now, oh, we got to put tortellinis in, y'all.
Oh.
That's part of the recipe. I have the frozen kind. You can also buy this in a box, I think. But I'm only going to use half of these because it's just 2 pounds. We only need a pound. They're just frozen cheese tortellinis. And they actually get really big. We're going to do about a half a pound. I mean, about a pound. Now we end up for another recipe.
What happens if you get too much?
Well, then you just have an extra tortellini. I didn't get too much. The bag is like half air, and then so you have to kind of like really feel where it's at. These have to cook. Well, basically, I don't give times because it really depends on your oven. They have to be floating right now. They're sunk. They're sunk to the bottom. So when they're floating is when I take them off. Got the tortellinis boiling. We're almost done. They're not done yet though. We got the sausage roasted and the greens roasted. Look how much. That's 8 cups, y'all. 8 cups. Look at that. That's why I say 8 cups. You guys think it's a a lot, but it's not. Because it literally shrinks. Knife I'm on, isn't it? Love this knife. Oh my goodness. Coming on the boat. This is the Petite Chef knife from Cutco. I know I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was. I've bought too much of their stuff. Oh, and I used to sell it when I was 19. Yep, those are good.
And you're 21 now?
Oh yeah. This is sausage, kale, and cheese tortellinis. That's the reason I'm using it is come off there, sausage.
So if you're using a turkey or chicken sausage and you get a lot of stickage because you don't have a non-stick pan.
You put oil down. And I forgot to, but they also kind of steam themselves off, so I mean, don't worry if you forget oil. Yeah. I forgot the oil. But they're still good. They still come off. They didn't stick. I think this is going to be more sausage than tortellinis, honestly. It's my husband's perfect meal. More meat than pasta.
Nothing's wrong with that. I'm not a vegetarian.
You could probably use literally half the sausage I'm using right now. I just wanted it to be sausagey. I'm going to put these in here. Because I'm going to be putting them in another thing. Tortellinis are done. They're floating to the top. They look like that. You don't want them too overdone. They'll break apart. So we're gonna drain these. And that's my husband's job. Now we're gonna put the sausage in there. And the greens. You hear that crispies? They won't be crispies after it sits in here for a minute. The crispies gives it the flavor. My dog's over here. She wants the pan.
It's good in the pan.
So, I'm gonna do that. And we're going to stick in some yogurts. Just a little. To get a little cream in there. See, I think we'll do about a cup. We'll do a cup.
how you keep from breaking up the tortellinis.
Well, I'm trying. Well, you have to be very careful. And you just kind of just keep grabbing from the sides so you don't try to break everything up. I mean, you might have a few tortellinis that, you know, break apart, but for the most part, you can get these tortellinis to stay whole. Yeah, I think we did. Yeah. There. Tortellinis, look. See,
That looks really good.
You got sausage and greens. Okay. Get some in a bowl now. Goal is trying not to break up the tortellinis. They are definitely very delicate, is what I'm trying to say. But look at that. Look at the sausage. Yeah. You think that looks good, babe?
Mm-hmm. That's my bowl.
It is. It is your bowl. Okay. This is just me picking. I'm picking out my husband's bowl.
Y'all stay tuned.
Me on the last video.
I left the door open, yes.
I know. Sure. No, I got a picture after all of that, right? I don't get a picture of that. Doesn't make any damn sense. But I am going to get a picture after that and marinate this.
It's just flexing.
They all do it. Every last one of them. Can't find one that doesn't. Okay. Are you video recording? Oh, that's not even... Oh my gosh. It was off for a second. Now it's going to go off. It's at 365. Okay. Yeah. Too many. Okay, we're going to let them set for a sec, babe. Or else I'm going to rip them apart. This is why I put oil on it. I forgot to put oil. We'll just let them set for a minute.